Welcome to the Onion Patch. Ever heard of the dark web? It's where anonymity reigns supreme. A place where you can explore freely, away from prying eyes. At its heart lie onion sites, hidden services accessible only through the Tor network. Why the secrecy, privacy, anonymity? On the dark web, your data is your own. No tracking, no censorship, just pure digital freedom. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Ready to build your own onion site? Awesome. This journey into the depths of the internet is both thrilling and rewarding. Imagine having your own hidden corner of the web, accessible only through the Tor network. It's like creating a secret clubhouse that only those with the right key can enter. First, you'll need the right tools. Just like any project, having the proper equipment is crucial. Think of it as preparing for an adventure. You wouldn't go hiking without the right gear, would you? Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. While it might seem daunting at first, each step is manageable, and you'll find yourself getting the hang of it quickly. Plus, the sense of accomplishment you'll feel is worth every bit of effort. A basic understanding of web hosting is helpful, but not mandatory. If you're familiar with the basics, great. If not, don't fret. We'll cover everything you need to know. Think of it as learning to drive. You don't need to be a mechanic to get started. We'll guide you every step of the way. Here's your checklist. Consider this your roadmap to success. Each item on this list is a stepping stone towards your goal. A computer. Any operating system will do. Whether you're on Windows, macOS or Linux, you're good to go. Your trusty machine is your gateway to the onion world. An internet connection, preferably a reliable one. A stable connection ensures smooth sailing as you navigate through the setup process. Think of it as the fuel for your journey. Tor browser, your key to the onion world. This specialized browser is designed to keep your activities anonymous and secure. It's like having a cloak of invisibility while you explore. Download it from the official Tor project website. Always ensure you're getting the software from a trusted source to avoid any security risks. It's like buying gear from a reputable store. Web server software, Apache or Nginx are popular choices. These are the engines that will power your site. Think of them as the foundation of your hidden clubhouse. Text editor, for coding your website. This is where the magic happens. Your text editor is your canvas, and your code is the paint. Notepad++ or Sublime Text are good options. Got everything? Great. These tools are user-friendly and perfect for both beginners and seasoned coders. Let's move on to the fun part. Now that you're geared up, it's time to dive in and start building. The adventure awaits, and your hidden site is just a few steps away from becoming a reality. Think of Tor as a labyrinth, bouncing your internet traffic through a maze of relays, making it virtually untraceable. Our first order of business? Installing and configuring Tor. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. Head over to the Tor project website, download the Tor browser bundle and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Congratulations, you've just opened the door to the onion world. Now let's create your onion site. Every onion site has a unique onion address, a long, jumbled string of characters ending in .onion. This address is generated by Tor and acts as your site's hidden location on the network. Next, you'll need to set up your web server. This is where your website's files will live. Choose your preferred web server software and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, create a simple HTML page. This will be the landing page of your onion site. Time to see your creation in action. You've spent countless hours coding, debugging, and perfecting your site. Now it's the moment of truth. Open the Tor browser and type your onion address into the address bar. Hit enter, and voila! Your hidden service is ready to be unveiled to the world. Your onion site should load. If not, don't panic. This is a common hurdle many face. Troubleshooting is all part of the learning process. It's an opportunity to refine your skills and understand the intricacies of the dark web. First, double-check your onion address. Even a single wrong character can lead to a dead end. One wrong character, and you'll end up lost in the labyrinth. Precision is key in this digital maze. Make sure your web server is running correctly. Check the server logs for any errors or warnings that might give you a clue. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Still no luck? Don't get discouraged. Consult the Tor documentation or seek help from the vibrant online community. There are many experienced users who can offer valuable advice and solutions. Once your site is up and running, take a moment to celebrate your achievement. You've navigated the complexities of the dark web and brought your creation to life. Share your Onion address with trusted individuals and gather feedback. This will help you improve and secure your site further. Remember, maintaining a dark website is an ongoing process. Regular updates and security checks are essential to keep your site safe and functional. Embrace the journey of continuous learning and improvement. Your creation is a testament to your dedication and skill. Congratulations, you've built an Onion site. Now let's make it Fort Knox. Security is paramount on the dark web. We're dealing with anonymity, remember? This attracts all sorts, some not so friendly. First and foremost, enable HTTPS. This encrypts the connection between your visitors and your site, protecting their data from eavesdroppers. Regularly update your web server software and any plugins you're using. These updates often include security patches, keeping those pesky vulnerabilities at bay. Congratulations, you've dipped your toes into the vast ocean of Onion sites. But this is just the beginning. There's a whole world of possibilities waiting to be explored. Want to create a forum for like-minded individuals? How about a secure file sharing platform? The only limit is your imagination. As you delve deeper, you'll encounter more advanced concepts. Hidden services, onion routing, and cryptography, to name a few. Don't be intimidated. Embrace the learning process, experiment, and never stop questioning. Remember, anonymity is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process that requires dedication and constant adaptation. In the digital age, where every click and keystroke can be traced, maintaining anonymity is more challenging than ever. It requires constant vigilance, a healthy dose of paranoia, and a deep understanding of the technology involved. You must be aware of the latest developments in cybersecurity and the ever-evolving tactics used by those who wish to compromise your privacy. The powers that be are constantly trying to de-anonymize Tor users and shut down hidden services. Governments and law enforcement agencies around the world are investing heavily in technology and expertise to track down those who operate in the shadows. They're getting smarter, so we have to be one step ahead. This means not only understanding the current threats, but also anticipating future ones. It's a game of cat and mouse where the stakes are incredibly high. Stay updated on the latest security threats and best practices. Regularly read cybersecurity news, follow expert blogs, and participate in forums where the latest vulnerabilities and exploits are discussed. The Tor Project website and various online communities are excellent resources for this. They offer a wealth of information from basic tutorials to advanced techniques, helping you stay ahead of those who seek to invade your privacy. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of anonymity. The more you know, the better equipped you are to protect yourself. Invest time in learning about encryption, secure communication methods, and the latest in cybersecurity tools and practices. Your privacy depends on it. You've taken the first step into a world of digital freedom and anonymity. The journey ahead is exciting, challenging, and constantly evolving. Embrace the unknown, never stop learning, and most importantly, have fun exploring the Onion universe. The dark web is a powerful tool. Use it responsibly and always be mindful of the potential consequences of your actions. Stay safe, stay anonymous, and keep the spirit of the web alive.